Hey everybody, if you're looking for a healthy dessert or one to help with weight loss, this is not it. But if you can't wait another minute for a sweet yet tart, soft yet crisp, mound of mouth-watering deliciousness, then you're going to love this. Let's get started. No baking or mixing. I just bought a pound cake already made from my local grocery store, some frozen raspberries, a can of lemon pie filling, and Cool Whip. And I'm going to add about a tablespoon of sugar to the raspberries. They're very tart, a little too tart, so I added a tablespoon of sugar to that. Or you could use fresh raspberries if you have those available. And this lemon cream pie filling is perfect for this. You'll also want to thaw out your Cool Whip overnight or the morning that you plan on making this. Also, you can thaw your raspberries in the microwave or set them out a couple hours before you want to use them. And then you're just going to butter your pound cake, just all sides, and have your burner on low heat. And because you want to just let these kind of fry very slowly so that the outside becomes crisp. And after you get all of the sides of all of the pieces of pound cake buttered, just put them in your skillet and check on these periodically because they will brown slowly. Just keep your heat on low, and that's just the best way to do it. Also, if you have a wire rack to put these on when they're done, that's probably better. That way they stay more crisp. If not, you can put these on a paper towel, but you don't want to put them directly on a plate because then they will draw moisture and they won't be as crisp as maybe you would like. So just keep an eye on these and keep turning them until they're as brown as you would like them to be. Just take your time browning these, making sure you get them brown and crisp on all sides. And you don't have to watch them constantly because you do have your heat on low, so it does take a little while, but it's worth it. And then when they're done, just move them to the wire rack. And if you like, you can just let these cool completely and then top them with all of your toppings. Or you can actually do what I did and put all the toppings on while it's hot. I prefer that, but you do whatever you like. Just add your lemon and then some of the raspberries, whipped topping, and maybe some more of the raspberries. All of these toppings are optional, of course. You can just add whatever you like. You may prefer just berries and powdered sugar, however you like it. So I hope you try this recipe. I hope you enjoy it. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. As always, thanks so much for stopping by, and I'll see you next time.